Station is located inside that. Below. Many of you.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Karee. First video up on my channel, and it's a braid takedown. I am approaching week 10 tomorrow, so it's definitely time to take these braids out. As you can see, all this new growth that I have incurred, which I'm excited about, but needs to be handled. I've already pre-oiled my hair, so my hair is pretty well oiled, and I'm just gonna like do it one at a time, to be honest, because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going off of like what I've seen other videos do, but I also like want to take my time and not rush the process, and then I'm gonna like basically speed this up or whatever. So this video is for anybody that wants to take down their braids with me. So yeah, let's do it. These are long braids, so cut here. For some weird reason, I feel like I cut my hair. And I know my hair is not that long, though. I guess it's because it's so wispy. Anyway, I think I should have got a trash bag. Oh well. I don't know, these gurus say something about a rivet turning the braid on its backside so that it could just completely come undone, and my hair is not coming undone. I know I'm probably doing it wrong. Like, I'm not even blaming anybody. I know it's probably me, but I'm not getting it. I'm so glad this is not my hair, because it's like I'm not being gentle with it at all. See, and this is why I wanted to start down here for at least maybe the first braid, because like I said, this is my first time taking it down. So it was no need me cutting all the way up here, even though my hair is all the way up there. Like, let me get the hang of it first, and then I can, you know, speed through it. This might be where they mean you might want to get some water, because it's like just doing its own thing. Hey, babe. Can you fill this up with some water? I forgot to get that. So if it's like this, I flip it over, it's supposed to just come undone, right? I don't know. Woo! Look at this build up.
What's build up?
Oh, babe, I was talking to the camera, but build up is, how do I explain this? It's like basically product, filth, and dirt that gets caught up in the knot of the braid. It's like the beginning of it.
Okay, I got you.
From where your hair and the fake hair meets.
I got you.
Yeah, like everybody goes through it, but like I'm just looking at mine and I'm just like, just really seeing it in the light, it just looks crazy disgusting. But this is the part where you got to be careful, because like if I'm not careful with it, I could pull out my hair and not retain the length that I,
Oh, wow.
yeah, so this is like what everybody talks about.
Oh, wow.
So, whew. So right now I'm going through and just pulling apart, finger detangling as much as I can, get all that shed hair out. And honestly, oiling my hair really saved the day on this, because I could just see myself having a disaster right now with these clumps. I'm really thankful for that advice, and I'm glad I followed it. Around 20 minutes ago, I made sure I oiled every single braid where the buildup would be, and it is paying off. So this is 10 weeks worth of shedding and possibly breakage. I really don't know. When I got my hair braided, it hurt. Okay, it hurt for a week, so I'm not gonna lie and say that, oh, this is all shed. I have no idea, but I think I handled this first braid very well, okay? I think I'm going to just add some more oil on there, or maybe, should I do a cream or oil? I got all these oils, guys. Like, I'm just so like prepared. I'm just like, whatever it takes. I've been using this oil, which definitely worked. My handy dandy white tooth comb. And as you can see, I'm combing from the ends, working my way up, being gentle. as I can, especially when it comes to the natural, breaking down the natural. And the relaxed hair. So, letting that all flow. And only look. You can see only a little bit of hair came out. With this one braid, this much hair came out. That's basically gonna be a guide for how much hair I'm expected to come out. So anyway, I'm going to twist this up and leave it alone. And then basically just do what I just did to all my other braids. And shout out to this wonderful side angle of my dark spots. It's beautiful, ain't it? All right, so we're done with that. So if my hair is all the way right here, I probably can cut here. Let me cut, because I know my hair is not that long. So I know y'all probably was like, you should have bended that. All right, let me try this again. Spray some water. Okay. It is coming undone much easier than last time, but still it's a struggle.
Say my name. When no one's around you, say baby, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay. 'Cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah. I'm completely satisfied, right? As long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name, 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 name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name, name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name, 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 name. Let me hear you say my name. Let me hear you say my name.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Think it's about time for me to go in. Like I dive deep. Like I'm last week night with the flow here. Johnny boy, my peeps. I'm an infotainment state. My brain ain't contained. Keeps spilling out. I'm belligerent, insane. My drink don't stay in place. I'm just two girls, one company. Keep it hipster like succulents. My main be a succubus. Swear I'm better than younger me, but I'm still just as hungry. I could eat the whole country, contrary to what you see. More than a fat Asian gay man. I'm more like Rayman. Way I'm running and running. Don't with my Ray-Bans. Swear I'm stunner shade stunting. Your come over, she coming. My face be like a couch cushion. Yeah, dig around it and you'll find some real change. I'm so OA. I got Obama behind me. I'm Vinny Chase. I put that drama behind me. I'm so sweet face. Got your mama behind me. And she's strapped, but not in the way that you think. I think I'll start up my day. I think I'll move a few units. I think I'll keep that moving like YouTube hitting view counters. I'm done being a down. Think I'll mix satire instead. I'll blindly throw around every ugly word in my head. Moist! Smegma on Smeagol's head. Baby, give me my precious. Praise be to Jesus, yeah. Looking good with no shirt and thorn necklace, or is it a crown? Either way down, for Judas to pound. Sorry, didn't mean to piss off a cold, stuck in youth and revolt without a cause. A rebel in love with applause, like narcissism or God. Like the life is all there is. Like the follow count your soul, but I'm a jaded. Just cause I ain't known. Cause all these systems in place to keep a place inside these bowls. Like we all fish saying this is water, this is water. Praise to David Foster. I'm a stained infinite jest. Manifest destiny. Precursor, sorry to all I leave dead. All the rest of me. Swear one day I'll get out of my head, but until then, I'll be singing. I'm so OA. I got Obama behind me. I'm Vinny Chase. I put that drama behind me. I'm so sweet face. Got your mama behind me. And she's strapped, but not in the way that you think.
So I finally finished my hair. Still dirty and flaky, but definitely was able to obviously take down the braids, detangle, and now it's well moisturized. So I feel like I'm prepping my hair for a good wash day. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with the results. I can't stress this enough that if it wasn't for me pre-oiling my hair, I probably wouldn't have had the results that I did. I have noticed that my hair has grown. My hair is relaxed with natural growing, so I think I'm trying to go natural, so I might be cutting this, but it's cool to see my hair in twists. I've never been able to rock twists, and I think I actually look kind of cute. Let me know. Anyway, this is the hair that came out my head, which to me, to be 10 weeks worth of shedding and maybe some breakage in there, I really don't deem it as a lot. I mean, it is a lot of hair, but considering how long I had it in there for. I don't think that's too bad, but I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments. That could be a lot of hair. I don't know. To me, it's not, because I don't feel like, you know, I was experiencing breakage, and I've seen breakage. Okay, that's the end of this video. I will be doing a wash day routine, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming next. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know how I did. Comment below. Bye. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I took a video of how my twist out turned out because I was about to run some errands. And just watching the video, I was just like, my hair looks a mess. But then when I went to take some photos, I was just like, oh wow, this looks so much better in the photos than it does in this video. So maybe I'll just, you know, put some side by sides together so you guys can see the comparison. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.